Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is classroom management. Classroom management is communicating with students. Communicating with students, the table of content is what does communicating with students, two key aspects of communication in classroom management, effective communication with students, why communication with students is important. Chapter 1. What does communicating with students? Communicating with students refers to the various ways teacher, instruction, or educational institutions share information, provide support, and engage with students to enhance learning and build relationships. This communication can be verbal, written, digital, or non-verbal, and happens in many settings like classroom, online, platform, email, or even informal chats. Chapter 2. Key aspect of communication in classroom management. 1. Clarity. Explanation is teacher must clearly express expectation, instruction, and feedback. Understanding can lead to confuse and misbehavior. Example is instead of saying be good, say please stay in your seat and work quickly on your assignment. To consistency, expectation is consistent communication helps students know what to expect is good first and reduce anxiety. Example, if a rule is enforced one day and ignore the text, students receive mixed signal which can lead to behavior issue. 3. Positive tone. Explanation. A respectful, encouraging tone promotes a supportive atmosphere and motivates students. Example is saying let's try to stay focused so we can finish early is more effective than stop messing around. 4. Active listening. Explanation is teacher need to listen to students through concern and feedback. It shows respect and help identify problems early. Example is if a student is acting out, listening might reveal they're struggling at home or don't understand the lesson. The next slide is number 5. Nonverbal communication, explanation, body language, facial expression, and gesture can reinforce or contradict verbal message. Example is a smile and eye contact can encourage participants while forced arms might come across as unstable. 6. Feedback. Explanation. Timely, constructive feedback helps students improve behavior and academic performance. Example, I notice you help your classmates with teamwork. Reinforce positive behavior. 7. Cultural sensitivity. Explanation is being aware of students, diverse background, ensure communication is respectful and inclusive. Example is understanding how different cultures interpret a contact, tone, or gesture help avoid misunderstanding. 8. Adaptability. Explanation is teachers shall adjust communication based on age, ability level, and individual needs. Example is simplifying instruction for younger students or using visuals for students with learning challenges. 9. Conflict resolution. Explanation is clear, calm communication helps de-escalate issue and guide students toward solution. Example is using I statement like I feel concerned when rather than blaming language. Chapter 3 Effective Communication with Students 1. Use clear and simple language. Explanation. Speak at a level appropriate to your student age and understanding. Example. Instead of saying, commence your independent task. Hi, start working on your assignment now. Maintain eye contact. Explanation is eye contact shows that you're engaged and focused on the student. It builds trust and keeps students attentive. Example is while giving instruction, make eye contact with several students across the room to keep them concentrated. 3. Use a friendly and respectful tone. Explanation. A calm and respectful tone encourages cooperation and mutual respect. Example. Hi, I understand you're frustrated. Let's talk about it instead of raising your voice. 4. Encourage question and participation. Explanation is make students feel comfortable asking questions and expressing themselves. Example is that's a great question. Thank you for asking. Let's explore it together. 5. Provide constructive feedback. Explanation feedback should focus on what the student did well and how they can improve. Example is you did a great job organizing your ideas. Next time, try adding more detail to your conclusion. 6. Listen actively. Explanation is show students that their voice matters by truly listening to what they say. Example, no, ask follow-up questions or summarize their points. So, you're saying you did and understand the instruction. Let me go over them again. 7. Be approachable and available. Explanation. Study so feel comfortable coming to you with concern or questions. Example, if anyone needs help or wants to talk about something, you can always see me after class or send me a message. 8. Use positive reinforcement. Explanation is recognize and reward good behavior or effort to motivate students. Example is nice job staying focused today. I notice you work hard to the whole activity. 9. Adapting communication style to student needs. Relation. Tailor your communication to fit student individual learning styles, language level, or special needs. Example is for visual learners, use diagrams or written instructions in addition to verbal ones. 10. Set a expectation. Explanation is students need to know what expect of, of them in both behavior and academic work. During group work, I expect you to take turns speaking, listen to each other, and stay on task. Chapter 4 Why Communicating with Students is Important. 1. Will build trust and respect. Explanation is open and respectful communication helps students feel valued and understood. Example is a teacher who listens when a student share a concern show that their feeling matter with build trust over time. 2. Improve understanding of lesson. Explanation is when teacher explain concept clearly and check for understanding, students are more likely to grasp the material. Example is a teacher explain a math concept using visualize and the apps. Can someone explain it back to me in their own words? 3. Encourage student engagement. Explanation is students are more likely to participate when they feel heard and support. Example, a teacher size. What do you think about the story ending? This invite discussing and critical thinking. 4. Status behavior issue. Explanation is clear communication about rules and expectations are prevent misbehavior. Example is instead of yelling at teacher family size, remember we raise our hands to speak so everyone gets a chance. 5. Support emotional development. Explanation is that they learn how to express themselves and handle emotion through positive communication. Example, a teacher noticed a student is upset and sighs look like something bothering you want to talk about it. 6. Help meet individual needs. Explanation is every student learn differently. Communicating openly helps teacher adjust their approach. Example is a teacher asks, would it help if I explain it another way? This for students with different learning styles. 7. Clarifies expectation and goals. Explanation students perform better when they know exactly why is expected of them. Example is a teacher with clear instructions on the board and review them out loud before an assignment. 8. Foster a positive classroom culture. Explanation is communication helps create a sense of community, cooperation, and mutual respect. Teacher who regularly check in with students how everyone doing today create a caring inclusive atmosphere. One problem, Mr. Eliezer repeatedly had problems when leading a class discussion with a junior high school student, no matter how involved in the topic student where there were usually several students sitting in the back who were stuck out or silent answer and play with objects they had brought from home. Premise 1. Disruptive behavior is a recurring, and threat to the physical location studied in the back. Premise 2. Engagement in the topic alone is not sufficient to manage behavior. Premise 3. Lack of structure or accountability during discussion can lead to past behavior. Conclusion or resolution, Mr. Eliezer must be resumed protocol. E.g. Rice having to speak only once at a time, using nonverbal uses or proximity to deter behavior, assigning sudden rules during discussion, not taker, summary questioner. In case accountability. Problem 2. Gifano was one of the most provocative and disruptive students Miss Chandra had ever taught to class. He constantly take to girls and teased students sitting near him. He made inappropriate and sarcastic remarks in response to almost anything Miss Chandra said. When confronted by Gifano gained sermoning and responded with exit with contrary to the delight of the other students. Premise, Stephanus seeks their attention and can social forward through description. Premise 2, Miss Leandra, confrontation are not discouraging him, but feeding into the power dynamic. Premise 3, public confrontation, give him an audience, enforcing the behavior. Conclusion or resolution, Ms. Kiandra must descend from the public power struggle. and use private, avoid public argument instead. Prevent constant logical strategies include avoid public arguments instead use private conversation to address behavior, use behavior, conduct or individual behavior plan with their consequence and rewards. Already pay attention by reinforcing positive model and limiting the state. Apply consequence only and consistency, focusing on choice and accountability. Problem 3. Miss Jessica was concerned about the frequent teasing that had begun in her class. It reaches a point where there was constant bickering among the students. They became so angry, began yelling at sound and stopping in another during class. Premise 1. Teaching that isn't addressed early create a toxic classroom culture. Premise 2. Conflict is can when no clear norms for respect and safety excite. Premise 3. Emotional and physically safety prerequisite for learning, conclusion, or resolution. Mrs. Isikala must immediately restore classroom norms and implement a social emotional reset, logical intervention include holding a class meeting to establish community expectation, including respect and zero tolerance for bullying, teaching and modeling conflict resolution skills, e.g. I statement, active listening, implementing structured routines, and team building to repair relationship, collaborating with counselors or admin for walls plus intervention in if I need it. Thank you.